St. Petersburg Wooded Airport. Automated weather observation 1704 Zulu. Wind 070 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Number 11 Kilo is cleared for, I don't know this airport, but Uniform Delta Golf Airport as filed. After departure, it'll be a left turn heading 270. Climb maintain 1,600, expect 10,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 118.8, squawking 7640.
Okay, cleared to the airport with the cheap gas as filed. Left turn 270, going to 1,600, 11,010 minutes. Departure 18.8 with squawking 7640. Baron 1 Kilo.
There we go, got it. Number 3198 Foxtrot, if you'd like advisories, contact Tampa 119.65 prior to 1,200 feet. Good day.
98 Foxtrot, frequency change approved. Thank you.
Number 925, thanks for your help, and you are cleared. Touch and go, runway 7.
No problem. Cleared, touch and go, runway 795.
What do you rotate at, 100?
Yeah. And I'm shooting for blue line. That's the best single. That's best rate. Single engine. So now we would definitely fly, but engine quits.
Number 5811 Kilo, I'd stay below 1,500 feet till you contact approach, and then I'd contact them on 118.8. You do have traffic at your 10 o'clock and about 2 miles turning northbound into PIE at 2,000.
Okay, 18.8, I'm going to stop at 1,000 feet, and I'll call it there, 1 Kilo.
Sounds like a plan. We'll see you later.
Okay, see you tomorrow. And then my departure, Baron 5811 Kilo.
5811 Kilo, maintain VFR, squawk 7640.
Okay, 7640.
VFR Alpha Tango, contact St. Pete Tower 118.3.
Over to towers, 244 Alpha Tango.
Baron 11 Kilo, clear direct to Cal, maintain 10,000.
Okay, direct to Cal, 10,000, 1 Kilo.
Airstar 960, turn left heading 170.
That's 170, that's 960.
What do you have in your airplane? You got the G5s now too, don't you?
I got 2 G5s, a 750,
Delta 1509.
that one,
Okay.
and then a Lynx transponder, which I think it's got an issue with it. But I'm getting the Garmin GFC 500 autopilot put in.
Oh, okay, that'll be a good autopilot.
Yeah.
If I would have known different, I might have got the 750. Just with a bigger screen size.
Yeah.
But it was an extra $5,000.
Yeah, I bought the plane with the 2 G5s and the 750 already in it. I had a friend who kept telling me, he said, buy a plane that's already got some or all of the avionics you want. He said, because you'll always spend more and spend a lot of time having it done.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm glad I did.
Yeah, if you can find something that's got the stuff in it you want.
And so when they put the autopilot in, they're also going to put a metal panel in because it's the plastic one from 1978 is just all crunched up.
Delta Golf, level 11.5, direct Naples.
Okay, so 131 for you, 3,030 direct.
Jody's 131, Jacksonville approach, correct altimeter 3024, November's current advise when you have it, expect runway 5.
That's runway 5 and what flight runway aviation and altimeter is 3024 or Chase 131.
And Lou Jack, Baron 5811 Kilo, 1,000.
Baron 5811 Kilo, Jack's approach, hello, Jack's altimeter 3024.
3024, thanks.
United 785.
Even on this coast, you can see the curve of the clouds with the coast.
Yeah, you guys about 30 minutes out. Guys, look at this airport. See, make sure the runway's not too short.
Back at 1 more thousand.
55.
Number 11 Kilo, contact Jack Center 133.45, good day.
Okay, 3345, 11 Kilo, so long.
Excellent.
All right.
Oh, 5,500. Yeah. And the low Central, Baron 5811 kilo 1000.
Deck Airport, Pennsylvania. All right, we got everything set up. We're gonna go try and fly the Hudson Corridor. Got the cameras all over the plane. We're at deck getting gas. This is where we're gonna come back to and spend the night. And Ron's picking up some of ham radio equipment here tomorrow.
Hudson Corridor, Baron at 1,300 feet, heading northbound at the DZ Bridge. Helicopter.
southbound 1,200. Hudson River traffic.
Hudson Corridor, Baron, 1,100 feet, just passing the Statue of Liberty northbound.
You got a helicopter just below you, 800. I'm looking for you. I'm approaching South Tip Governors, just coming up on the front of the statue. Metro 25, part of the statue, 900 northbound.
Helicopter 406, TD, we're probably right above you, just so you know.
Alright, I got you back there. I'll keep it mid-river at 9.
Okay, thanks. Hudson River traffic, White Cherokee, Beam, the Intrepid, southbound 1,200. Hudson River.
Helicopter, Metro 25, 900 northbound approaching the Intrepid. I have a Cherokee in sight.
Hudson Corridor, Baron, northbound 1,100 feet over the Intrepid.
Metro 25, Intrepid north. The switch until the audience, climbing up to 1.5.
Sikorsky off the park at a 1200 turning southbound, got the one turning over the park. Sikorsky 76792. Step out, drop it forward, lots of bags, Tango Victor. Hudson River traffic, White Cherokee, over the clock, southbound 1,200. Looking for traffic, Hudson River. Hudson River traffic, white Cherokee, Beam, Governor's Island, southbound 1,200. Hudson River traffic.
Hudson River traffic, Baron 1,100 feet over the GW Bridge, northbound.